least let me eat it.
You're right. Little bass, y'all. Got a fish, baby.
Nice.
On the Guggenbait Kraken Claw.
And I have a fish too, but it doesn't move. I killed mine in tournament.
So a little bit before this, I got another bass like this, but it was on the Trans Hog, and this is the Kraken Hog. And it's just about the same size, but I'm gonna give her another dangle. Yeah, I do this kind of stuff, Jameson.
I never knew. The YouTubers I normally watch are Jacksepticeye, Vanos Gaming.
Got another one on, boys. Here, you want to reel it in?
No thanks.
Ooh, this one's got some more
Beef.
Another one on the old Kraken Claw. Right? Yeah. This is the third fish on the old Kraken Hog.
You just broke the record.
Oh.
Let me go! I don't want to leave. I want to leave.
All I've caught is smallmouth.
Bye-bye.
And, got slime all over my phone. But I caught him right straight that way where my finger is. What?
I don't like being on video.
You're not. But you barely got yourself in it, but we're going to try this again.
Yeah, I don't really like it being in front of like thousands of people. It makes
Yeah, it's not thousands. I only have like 20.
20 I'm fine with. Yeah. Bushy. What's your favorite video game?
I don't play a lot of video games, but if I would say Call of Duty or GTA.
I love GTA. Actually, 7 Days to Die.
7 Days to Die?
Yeah, it's a zombie game.
Sounds pretty deadly.
Not living. It's very good. I'm like a boss at it.
So this pond I'm at has humongous goldfish, don't they?
Yeah.
How many did you put in there?
6, maybe 7.
6, so I've seen 3 of them that are at least a good 1.5 feet long. And you can see from a long distance. But hopefully we can get another fish on and make it 3. No, 3 on camera, 4 on...
4 in total. You caught 1 off camera.
Yeah. So, whenever I go fishing, I always fish for a while. If I catch a fish, and then I start to get a whole bunch of bites, I record and I show you guys. But, right now it's almost 8 o'clock. And I thought that was in the water.
I got it out. I wanted it so badly, I got it out. Like, it's mine now. My pet fish? I don't want him. He can go.
Hey, you want to go look around the bank and try and find the goldfish?
Well,
I'm gonna have him go see if he can find the goldfish and show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna pause you guys.
I'm gonna come back to my little seating area.
That's gotta hurt your tush.
No, it's not. I've sat on way worse. And besides, I've done way worse.
You have?
Yeah. I jumped off of a tree and tried to jump onto another tree, using it as a fire pole to get down.
I've done that before.
But I missed, hit it with my back, and then fell. And then I
Okay,
jumped
last
out of a
cast,
barn.
everybody.
And then I jumped out of a barn.
You jumped out of a barn?
Yeah. Seth Tiny dared me to. I didn't want him to catch me, but he said he had to. He could have just put some hay bales down there. That would have been fine. That was the most scariest thing I've ever done.
Why does that sound like my ETV? Okay, I'm done.
Okay. I'm gonna head back up.
Okay, I won't show him your house, but I'm gonna show him the pond real quick.
And my pet fish is biting me.
The pet fish? Oh yeah. So this is it today, guys. Caught 3 fish, 2 on camera, 1 off, just to make sure the ground was good. Caught 2 of them on the old Kraken claw.
You actually broke the record, Ryan.
Huh?
You broke the record.
I did?
Yeah. The highest record here was 2.
But this is a pond. I caught most of them back there where I showed you just a minute ago. There's some humongous goldfish. Stay tuned for more fishing videos here. But that's it, and I'll see you guys next.